Hi butterflies, hi honeybees, how are you? Yes, I need not ask this question because you people are always fine, always okay, always good, always smiling. I know this pretty well. My little ones are always fantastic, all time fabulous. Yes, children. Welcome, hearty welcome, sweet welcome, lovely welcome, fantastic welcome, wonderful welcome, and a pleasant welcome to the online fun learning session. Yes, children. The management is taking so much of efforts to make the sessions joyful, stress-free, and loving all the time. Yes, you are going to receive the sweetness of learning in this class. I promise you that I am going to make this session so loving, so sweet, so great. You feel like flying in the sky. That means you are going to feel stress-free. So, with no delay, let me start today's session, that is math. Yes, children. As soon as I say math, you do remember the numbers. Yes, you have already learnt the numbers, number names and tables, small additions, small subtractions, and so much fun with numbers. Yes, today also you are going to have the same fun, same joy and same happiness with numbers. Then why delay? Let's get started. Fine. Let's have a happy beginning with math session. Yes, children, let's revise the numbers. Yes, here on the screen. Yay! You are going to learn tables today. Tables, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table. Yes, so many of this kind. Lovely children, lovely children. We know the content of today. Lovely, beautiful. The stuff is ready on the screen. Wow, today we are going to learn tables. Today we are going to learn second table, 2 table. Yes, we will laugh. Yes, children, let me repeat, let me say, let me drill, so that you will have a good practice, good learning. Yes, let me say for you, 2 ones is equal to 2. You should not say 2 ones are 2. 2 ones is equal to 2. 2 twos is equal to 4. 2 threes is equal to 6. 2 fours is equal to 8. 2 fives is equal to 10. 2 six is equal to 12. 2 7 is equal to 14. 2 eights is equal to 16. 2 9 is equal to 18. And last one, 2 tens is equal to 20. Fantastic, children, fantastic. Yes, children, I always say that I am going to make my session joyful, fun-filled, and a lot of happiness is being added to make the session so nice, so sweet. For that purpose, I would like to play a video for you, because learning is fun. Learning is playing in our school. To give you that experience, here is a video.
Now tell me, what does numbers remind you of? Good. You know what 2 reminds me of? It reminds me of Gandhiji, the founder of our nation. His birthday is celebrated on the 2nd of October. This is Gandhi Jayanti. Here we go. Table for 2.
It was so easy, so funny and so great. Hope everybody had sweet experience of learning 2 table. Wasn't it very easy? Yes, children. Wasn't it very easy? Yes, it was so easy. Learning like this is of great fun. Yes, children. After the completion of 2 table, it's time for us to revise 3rd table, that is 3 table. Yes. Let's learn 3 table now. Yes. 3 0 is equal to 0. 3 ones is equal to 3. 3 twos is equal to 6. 3 threes is equal to 9. 3 fours is equal to 12. 3 fives is equal to 15. 3 six is equal to 18. 3 sevens is equal to 21. 3 eights is equal to 24. 3 nines is equal to 27. 3 tens is equal to 30. Yes, children, fabulous. Now let's add some color. Let's add some spices to our learning. Yes, I always say learning in Sri Sankalp School, learning in Sri Shantiniketan School is playing with letters, playing with numbers and so on. Let's have video.
Before we move on to the next table, I must tell you something very important. If you remember what I say now, it will make learning multiplication tables even more easier. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition of numbers. Say for example, when we are doing the multiplication table of 3 and say 3 twos are 6, we mean 3 2 times. That is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So when we say 3s are, 4s are, 5s are, we mean adding the number 3 times, 4 times, 5 times and so on. This formula should be used for multiplication tables of any number. Understood? Yes! I know you all are waiting for the music to start. Am I right? Yes! Start the music for the table of 3. What does the number 3 remind you of?
A tricycle. It has 3 wheels.
Very nice. It reminds me of a triangle too. It has 3 sides. 3, 3, 3. Let's do it once more, you and me.
Yay! 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21 and 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. 3 elevens are 33 and 3 twelves are 36.
Yes, children, lovely. everybody loved the session? Yes, every one of us really loved this session because it was all about playing, singing, dancing, so on. See, it's a great way to become a great lover of mathematics. I know that so many my lovely kids are going to become great mathematicians. If you learn in this manner, singing, dancing, playing, learning, every one of us will surely fall in love with learning and grow great and achieve big in our lives. Yes, children, let me tell you the secret of learning. See, today you have learned the multiples of 2 and the multiples of 3. The thing is, you should remember them. You should love to remember them. So, in order to do so, here I come with the secret. Yes, I have always have the habit of giving you some secret tips to make your academics, to make your learning fun and great joy. Yes, children, do one thing. List out the names of all your beloved family members, and what you have to do, you have to note their birthdays, date of their birthday. See, go and inquire your mama's birthday, your papa's birthday, your granny's birthday, your grandpa's birthday, your siblings' birthday, and see that who is celebrating their birthday with the multiples of 2, with the multiples of 3. If they really fall in the multiples of 2 and 3, immediately call them. Give them the information that you are the multiple of 2. If somebody is celebrating birthday on 14th of any month, say that they are very lucky because they celebrate their birthday with the multiple of 2. Suppose if anybody is celebrating birthday on 15th, call them and give them surprise saying that you are celebrating your birthday with the multiples of 3. This is great way of enjoying. Hope children you loved this tip and you are going to use them. Yes, I know you all will be doing this, and that's all from today's session. Keep smiling.